Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're returning. My name is Alicia, and today I'm going to show you how to create 20 different mouths for even more expressions that are cute and super easy. All you need is some paper and a pencil. Let's doodle. Alright, so I am back with another kawaii face tutorial. This one you'll notice is a bit different. I already have eyes on our poor little bee. So, I think he needs a name. Feel free to give me a suggestion in the comments. I'm thinking maybe like Humbert. I don't know. Anywho, today we won't be drawing eyes. Today we won't be drawing eyes. So I've added some basic ones that you'll notice are a different style as well. So you get a bonus eye shape today. Go you guys. It's kind of a bit of a kidney bean shape, I guess. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I know you're not here just for that eye, so let's get started with our first mouth. Super, super, super easy. It's a line. I guess maybe the easiest mouth would be none at all, but I mean, that would be weird in a mouth tutorial. So a line. Next. Did I just... No, I didn't. I thought maybe I got rid of that. Next, we're going to make a little smile. So this one is like almost a U, like the letter U. I always kind of have it off-centered, even when I create it myself, but there we go. Okay. And I just realized, am I on a new layer? Yes, I am. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, next, I want to keep him happy, so we're going to do a bigger smile. Not super low, just a nice little curve. Okay. Next, I'm going to change it up a bit. We're going to make it a bigger smile. Literally, we're going to open the mouth. So this is like a large kidney bean. You want the sides to be about the same. Not like that. It's like he's smiling. Gonna give him a little tongue. And then we can color that in. And maybe fix our mistakes. Or make them worse. A tongue is really not much. It's pretty easy. Okay, so he's super happy there. Next row, we're going to do an even happier. We're going to do a line across. And we're going to do a big arch, like a U. Okay? We're going to give him his tongue. And fill it in. Another thing you can do here is... Oh, I didn't mean to get rid of that. And I like to do this with like a baby or something. Give it a tooth. Which is also really cute, right? Okay. Next, let's make him a little cheeky. We're going to give him a smile, but it's, instead of like a swoop, it's like straightens out. Okay. Oop. Let's give him his tongue out this time. Cheeky little monkey. Then we're going to do essentially his eye shape, but just on the side. It looks a little sad, doesn't he? Let's move on. And the funny thing is about this one, actually, the more you turn it, the sadder he looks. So if, say, you didn't want him to look sad, you wanted him to look more curious, you could just put it on the side. It gives it kind of a different look. Those eyes make everything sad, but it does give it a different look if you just turn it a little bit. Now we're going to give him a little bit of a sad mouth. Just like a small U shape. Again, not too big. Okay. Next, I'm going to do a big sad face. That's sad. Alright, let's go back to like, maybe not happy, but happy enough, okay? So this is going to be very similar to the first happy one that was mouth open, so like this. The only difference is we're going to make one of the sides visibly bigger than the other, okay? Nope. Nope. And depending on the eyes, this one can actually look like you're yelling at someone or that you're happy. Why does I don't know why my tongue keeps on being cheeky here. You're not cheeked, you're a tongue. And then you can just round that. There we go. Do you see? There's a slight difference. Not a huge difference, but here definitely looks more happy. And you do want, this one has much more of a curve, whereas this one doesn't. You can give it the curve as well. But you can see that like the one side is quite a bit bigger. And depending on the eye shape, that can look like a side kind of smile or like they're yelling. This one we're going to do very similar, but we're going to join almost in the middle. Okay. I don't like that. So it's like that. Give him his tongue again. Why did my tongue? I don't know why my tongue looks so weird. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. But there we go. He looks a little like worried. Next. This is pretty basic as well, but it's like a ooh. Just a circle. Then we're going to do essentially the opposite of the open-faced smile. And we're just going to do the kidney bean facing down. Again, we're going to draw that mouth, and I'm going to try to make it look like a mouth. And then you fill it in. It didn't work. I don't know what I am doing. But there we go. It's also not what I like. It's not what I want either. But that's it. So he looks sad. These eyes make him look sad and almost everything. This is the like classic worry, so it's just a squiggle. And you can do as little or as much as you like. You can end up or end down. It doesn't make a difference. It's cute either way. Next, this boy is surprised. I don't know why it keeps on doing that to me. Bloop. You can add a tongue as well here. You also don't have to. I should just probably stop because they keep looking bad. But there we go. He's surprised. This is a good one too where you can put like some eyelashes. Not eyelashes. Eyebrows. They're eyebrows when they're there. Next, we are going to do, I like to call this one the sneaky monster. So it's a smile with a tooth. I don't know. I don't know why I call it sneaky monster, but I think it's cute. This one I call full monster, and it's a smile with 2 teeth. Get it? Anyway, moving on. This is, yeah, I've eaten too much. Line, 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 3 lines. And it's like his cheekies are big. I like these for babies, because babies are so like roly-poly-oly on everything. So I think that's cute. Next, this one is like the super happy one, but upside down. So straight line. If it'll let me do a straight line. Come on. There we go. And then an arch. Okay. Edit that a little bit. And then again, I'll try to do a tongue. There we go. I don't know how far I have to go. He just looks dejected there. And finally, I love this one too. This one is just a little bunny. Doesn't have to be a bunny, but it's cute when it's 2 little teeth. Or you could just do 1 big tooth. That's also good for babies. If you're gonna do that too, sometimes it's cute to do it like on the side and not just in the middle. Cute, right? And there we go. Well, guys, I hope that you found that interesting. I hope that you found it useful. If you have any doubts on, whether or not you can do these kinds, I would say don't have those doubts. Anyone can do them. They're super easy. Try it at home. And if you have the other worksheet, if you're kind of working along with them and you're doing your eyes, grab your eyes from before as well and start mixing and matching. Like I just did a basic eye because we're just focusing on the mouth, but try them out. It'll look really cool when you can kind of change it around. And next we're going to work on noses, which are like my personal, I don't want to say hell, but I love and hate noses. And I will say that Doodle noses are I guess, easier than, you know, a semi-realistic or even a realistic nose, obviously, but I still find that they can kind of make or break a doodle. So for me, I still don't like them, but I will show you all the ones that I've got that are still super cute and super easy in the next video. So be sure to keep watch for that one. It'll be coming out as well, okay? Other than that, guys, this is the end of this one, so I hope you did enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found the video useful and helpful. Please let me know in the comment section if there's anything else that you would like to see in a future video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer them. You can always meet me and, you know, come to my Discord, or you can send me a message. I love seeing them. I love reading your comments, especially when they're kind. As always, everyone, until next time, keep doodling. Bye!